guys, this is my early Christmas present. I decided to treat myself with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, and put the case cover on it as well. So, yeah, so this is it. Yeah, I'm going to open my case cover. So guys, yeah, this is what it comes with for your SIM card, camera protector, lens cover. So this is what to dry it. So I'm going to use this dust absorber to absorb any dust. I'm going to use, they gave me 2 tempered glasses. So when you look at it, you see where that is like cut out. This is where the front is going to be because this is where the speaker is. So you're going to measure it first. So yeah, I'm going to use this sticker. I'm going to measure it first before I put. So make sure you cut out where the speaker is. Yeah, so I'm going to use this to measure it. Peel this out. I'm not going to peel all of them. So I didn't peel all. So I'm going to then gradually. Yeah. And this case has a bumper around the edge. So in case of it's fall and bounce on the floor. So it's going to protect it. I don't know why it's so hard to push in. So yeah, I've pushed it in. Yeah, I'm going to insert the screen cover. Yeah. So there you go. So my early Christmas present, so my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it comes in 256 gigabytes. It's like I created bubble inside it.